I seen her eyes were like, bruh. I seen her eyes were like, bruh.
You're like, bruh.
12. You want to go to the pool?
No.
Why they didn't have one of those stickers?
Huh? No.
None of your homies did? I know they give them in the games when you buy games.
Stickers.
Yeah, that was like for the 360.
They don't do that for the one?
I don't think so.
You know there's a new Xbox One, right?
Yeah.
There's
So
a new
you know,
one?
yeah, so you know there's a PS4 now, right?
Yeah.
PS5?
Yes. No, it's not.
There's a PS5 coming out. It's supposed to be like the Xbox 4. Or whatever it's called. Xbox 4 One S.
Xbox One S.
You remember how they did the Samsung Galaxy S1, S2, S3, or Apple? Same thing.
Yeah.
How's that salmon treating you? You're still eating that clam, huh?
I think Clemens to show. That's just that crab on it.
We'll let our viewers decide that. Let our viewers probably decide that.
For people who can't eat oysters but want the fill of the shell.
You want to do the oyster challenge?
No.
No.
Never even heard of the oyster challenge.
They have clams and oysters over there.
We'll make it up right now.
It's gonna become a meme now.
That's it. Oh, your stomach was like.
No, but eyes were like,
You ate like 3 things.
no, I'm still eating. I'm just letting it.
Chop, chop, pork chop. I didn't like the. My girls might have been a little tad bit undercooked. I like them deep fried just a little more crispy. You know what I mean? You get it or not?
Mm-hmm.
Is it frozen?
You're close there cocktail.
You should have got the cooked ones.
There is no cooked one.
They have them in like the sauce,
Oh, yeah.
jalapeno or whatever.
No. China Star.
Is that where we're at?
No, we're at
Mayday, man
We're
down.
at New China Buffet.
Oh, man down. That wasn't what I was expecting.
my other friends were playing last night. And my friend, he flicked a cricket off his bed. And Tyler said, you know, crickets are good luck. And I said, it's a sin to harm an animal. And then Tyler was all like, it's an insect, not an animal, you jackass. And then he's like, well, they are at the bottom of the food chain, so they can eat lead.
They can eat what?
They can eat lead.
Lead? Oh.
A little strawberry background right there. A little strawberry ice cream. Vegetable good.
We got salad at home. To eat what we don't have at home. Problem.
No, I have nobody at home that mixes up their for me like that.
Really?
Unless I ask you. You don't want to do that.
I always make you the best salad.
You're always like, oh, what? Hey, baby. What's up? What's up? No?
Yeah.
I was going to ask you, like, They needed like some sauce or something. Just put the lemon on it.
Somebody's getting Facebook.
Nobody better be calling me on Facebook. She ready to light it up tonight or what?
Yeah.
Neighborhood right there?
We've been working on getting all the cameras working so that he can make a big old display show with the fireworks.
I'm gonna have you light them.
A gun show.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have you light them.